Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, nice to meet you in International Conference on Intellectual Global Responsibility in Universitas Muhammadiyah Sidoarjo. I want to introduce myself. My name is Arum Dalu. The title, Headmaster Leadership in Islamic Educational Institution during the COVID-19 pandemic. Abstract. One of the factor-effective quality Islamic education institution is the principal leadership, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. The unpreparedness of teacher in learning becomes a significant obstacle because of change in the teacher teaching system that must be digital based. And all components of the school are required to maintain stable body condition. As a result, many components of the school feel the burden of work and performance decreases. This article aims for school members to keep the spirit of improving their performance during the COVID-19 pandemic. The implementation of various principal strategies based on obstacle focus on teacher management, strengthening digital media, and collaboration of multiple parties. Introduction. Education is a learning process in school that can run effectively. And of course, there is a leader who can carry out school management well. But education is one of the factors that cannot be easily achieved and enjoyed because education is a long-term investment. Education not only requires school but requires a solid foundation as well as several supporting factors to must consider. The Indonesian government implement work from home policy. Work from home policy use existing technology media such as Google Meet, Zoom Meeting, and Google Classroom. This causes problem in the form obstacle for teacher to do teaching to the maximum. It is a policy implemented and applied to the community to complete their work and tasks from home. This makes it a challenge for a leader, namely the principal. Method. The method used in writing this article is system literature review behind the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic situation that provides obstacle for writers to jump in the field. This article is carried by documenting and reviewing all articles related to managerial leadership in the COVID-19 pandemic period 2017 until 2021. Result and discussion. The principal is a professional or teacher who is given the task of leading a school where the school become a place in interaction between teacher who give lesson, student who receive lesson, parent as hope, graduate user as recipient of satisfaction. Disease outbreak that fall into pandemic are infection disease and have a continuous infection line. So, if there are cases in several countries other than a country of origin, it will still be classified as a pandemic. Solution to overcome it. Some steps in building Islamic institution management, one of which still include element of active learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. Use all Islamic education institutions component to ensure the implementation of learning. The step is significant considering the teacher and learners will carry out teaching and learning activities despite using remote method online. Provide encouragement and appreciation to all components of Islamic educational institution such as educator, education personnel, learners, and parents. Conduct online training briefly, getting to know the distance learning platform, PGG. Not all teachers can operate online platform and have been success of viability of quotas all the time. Acknowledgement. Thank you to all who helped with this process, especially for Muhammadiyah Sidoarjo University. References. Use reference manager application like EndNote Mendeley. For IAA, minimum references 20 journal dominantly from journal article. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.